What's going on, you guys? Jessy here. I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different in today's video. I have just received a brand new jacket that I ordered from Hero Within. This is a company that creates superhero apparel for men and women, but with a little bit of a twist. It's not something that's right away that you're gonna notice is superhero related. You have to really get up close or really pay close attention to the detail to see that there's actually some sort of a hint of a superhero associated to it. I'm very excited about this. Ordered this jacket last week from them, and I'm gonna open it up, check it out, and let you guys know what I think about this really cool jacket. Let's check it out. I ordered the Batman style Heavy Peacoat. I ordered the extra large. It's a black jacket. I'm hoping this isn't too large. It said to order, I think, a size up that I normally wear for the jackets. Very, very nice. You know, I don't think I've ever owned a peacoat before either. Look at that. That is super cool. Super cool. Black on yellow. Give it a little bit of a flare if you're wearing it open. All right, let me zoom the camera out and check this out. All right, so here's a better look at the inside of the coat. This thing is heavy as well. This is a really heavy coat. This is on sale for $100 over on their website. I think it usually goes for about $150. So I decided to pick this up again. Picked up an extra large. I normally wear a large with jackets or shirts, but this seems like it's gonna be a good fit. I also really like, has this really big collar that I can pop. All of the detail on it looks like it's really nicely sewn together. It does not really feel cheap or anything like that. I was a little concerned on how the quality was gonna be. There are a ton of pockets as well on this thing. One thing that's really cool that I'll have to try and get a better picture of is on the very back of the jacket is sewn in here into the pattern of the back of the jacket is the Batman symbol. It's really faint and hard to see. So again, the whole appeal of these jackets or their clothing line is just because you like geeky things doesn't mean you have to look geeky. You can still look really stylish while you wear these. So let me try this on. Already feeling like Bruce Wayne in this thing. This is really cool. I'm wondering if I could have got away with the large. The large might have been a little too snug. I do like my jackets to be snug. Actually, but I'm wearing a t-shirt, so if I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt or sweater, it would fit good. And actually, the length of the sleeves are really good for me. I'm 6 feet tall, and the sleeves come right down to the top of my hands or a little bit lower when my arms are at my side, which is appropriate for a jacket here. It's not supposed to be a blazer or anything like that. But again, loving the collar on this as well. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This thing is really nice. I'm very, very happy with this purchase. A little bit of detail, again, Hero Within on the buttons here in yellow, so it's black on yellow, matches the inside lining of the jacket. It's just be cool to wear around and walk around. You get a little bit of yellow that pops there. So again, it catches people's eye when you're wearing it. We'll see what my wife thinks. That'll be the real success factor there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pockets on this thing. Batman would be proud. All right, so if you're interested in checking out this jacket from Hero Within, I'll include a link down below to where you can check it out. I, again, purchased this myself over from them on their website. It's a really great jacket for anybody out there that's looking for a little bit of style to go along with their geek culture. Should mention they have a lot of other different options out there in terms of jackets, shirts, even dresses for the ladies out there, which is very, very, very cool, and I can't wait to see what else they come up with. So again, thanks again for watching, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll be back to making more props and all that, but I just wanted to share this with you guys since I figured some of you out there might enjoy a little bit of style to go with your day-to-day wear. I'll definitely be looking to pick up some of their other gear for maybe some upcoming videos here, some of their long sleeve shirts or polos. But for right now, really digging this jacket. Really digging the jacket. All right, just want to say thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, all that good stuff. If you haven't already, make sure to ring that bell to be notified when I post new videos, just like this one here. Hey, thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. I'm wondering if this thing is really Kevlar lined. It is honestly pretty heavy. This will be a really great winter jacket. By the way, it's way too hot to be wearing a heavy winter jacket in my studio room, which is also where I have multiple 3D printers running right now. Very warm in here.